ଦୟାପୂର୍ବକ ଗୀତ ବନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତୁ।
मैं सीएनआई का मॉनिटर टेक्शन हैसियत से नया जो डायसिस सीएनआई में बना हुआ है रायगढ़ डायसिस, इसका जो फ्लैग है, फ्लैग हम लोग विश्वगीता जो पवित्र आत्मा का नाम से उद्घाटन करते हैं। Glory of God, inaugurated by Church of Raigada on 29th the Church of North India, inaugurated by the moderator of the Church of North India on 26th, in the presence of the moderator, Secretary General Sir, Treasurer Sir, and Bishop of Agra, Bishop of Fulbani Diocese, Bishop of Patel Diocese, who will be the commissary of this diocese, and Bishop of Sambalpur Diocese, Bishop of and office bearers of this diocese.